Hello folks, welcome to the channel. This is John from the Classic Garage. Happy as Larry. You would not believe how happy John is today. Now, reason for happiness is this beautiful baby. Now, last time, 2 weeks ago, when I was having a last video, I have showed you very same machine on the pallet, and I told you that's going to be a mission to take it off. It wasn't big deal. It was a bigger deal to start it, because as I said, I'm not machinist. I don't know much about it. It is things that I'm still learning. And today I didn't want to make any video, but a very good friend of mine, Tom from Capital Territory, said to me in a message when it's going to be next video. So at least I know that one person is looking for it, and I know a few more who do too. So this is it, folks. This machine is absolutely awesome. To my knowledge, up to now, I can't see any flaws. The only flaw is this handle here. This handle here is broken, as you can see. So my first job would be to make a bit of a handle for it. Now, for that handle, I have chosen this bit of a material. I don't know what it is. I think it's a duplex, as they call it. I don't know what it is. It is a fairly stringy, as you can see by the chips. It is sort of a stringy thing. Maybe that, or maybe me not knowing how to set the machine and stuff like that. So nevertheless, this will be the handle. Where I'm going to do that is because that handle is supposed to look like these handles, and I will probably in the future order one of those handles from America, because I do believe they still have them. In the meantime, I'm gonna make one, or try to make one, with the materials I have, and with this other beautiful baby, which is just there. Let me bring that. That's it. That's better. So this one is running like a charm. I have already run it. I have tried a few things with it, and there's still a lot to learn. There's a heaps to learn, and I'm up for it. I don't mind one single bit. Now, what is here is again offcut from the company where I was working before, and I'm gonna make that same sort of same profile, same way, and then the plan is to fit press that other bit inside, and once it's fit pressed in, I'm gonna work it out a little bit more, and then I have this material here, which is similar material. I think this is stainless steel, maybe, or maybe not. Let's have a look. Let's have a look, is that a stainless steel or not? If it grabs to this magnet, this is stainless steel. This is stainless steel because this is a magnet. It is, see how it's lifting the cage. So what I'll do, I'll chop that off and thread it both ends, and then probably put a bit of the ball. I think I have one ball here, and that's this one. So I still have to learn how to make a ball, but this one will do the trick because it's roughly 10 mil on a 10 mil shaft. So I'll just use that one. So quickly I'll just show you how this one sounds, if you don't mind. Very good machine. Listen to this. That is on, you can't see this, but it's on 359 rounds per minute, and reason that I'm doing the way I'm doing it because I haven't got many cutting tools, so I took one of those boring bars to use it as a roughing tools, and it's doing its job. I'm happy with it. Probably once I get once I have more of the knowledge how and what, I'll get some more of those tools, because I do have some specialty tools. For example, this one is for making grooves, I believe, or something like that, or seats for the springs. And the only other tool I have is this sucker, and I also have plenty of tips for it. So with all this gear I got with the machine, there's a heaps of insets. Well, heaps for me. Somebody would say that's nothing, but to me this is a lot. And then I'll also have like 3 of those. This one is like an A-bomb type thing. It's bloody huge, and I definitely need more toolings. I thought there is plenty of it, but I definitely need more. So just let me show you how this baby makes the chips. Just bear with me 2 seconds until I set the camera.